So you might be having an issue for some reason. Messenger just isn't sending any messages. Now this can happen for a few different reasons. Sometimes you might be trying to send a message on Messenger, but these messages just aren't sending themselves. Well, the main reason why this may be happening is usually due, you may have guessed it, to your internet connection. You just want to make sure, for a majority of you out there, all you want to do is make sure that your specific Messenger application, whether you're on a MacBook or an iPhone or Android, that the device that you have is connected to Wi-Fi. If it's not connected to Wi-Fi, or if it's having problems there, or whatever the case is, that is probably going to end up being the problem. So what you're going to want to do here is you want to make sure that you are connected to the actual internet connection and that there's no issues there. So you can make your way over to your settings application of your device. You can make your way to whichever way you want to. Make sure you have data, make sure you have Wi-Fi. Try loading up some other applications too. And as long as those other applications are loading up fine, then it's probably not a Wi-Fi problem. But if the other apps are taking a very long time to load up, well then that's probably going to be the problem. Now let's say you're doing that and it's still taking a long time to send, or the messages just aren't sending. You may also want to make sure you're sending it to a person that hasn't blocked you. If the Messenger person blocked you, you're not going to be able to send messages. If it's anything remotely close to that, then that's probably going to be the problem. If they've unadded you and they have their settings turned on like that, then again, there's not much you can do there. You may also just want to make sure that your Messenger application has been updated to a fairly recent version. So what you can do is you can go inside of your search application within the App Store, Google Play Store, whatever you have, and you want to just type in Messenger. And all you're going to want to do here is update your Messenger application. Like I said, if your Messenger app has not been updated in a long time, well then that's probably going to be the reason why you're running into this problem. So just make sure that's not the issue, and that's probably going to fix itself anyways. Now if that's still not working, another thing you may want to try doing is you want to see and make sure that the Messenger application isn't actually down. And you can do that by going over to a website like downdetector.com, or is it downrightnow.com? Those types of websites, any of them. This one, you don't even have to go to this one, whichever one you want to go to. There's websites like this that show you exactly what's down, and if Messenger or Facebook or WhatsApp or Instagram or anything like that are on this specific website, well then that may mean Messenger is actually down, and you're just going to have to wait until they fix the issue. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.